So one of the things I like to do sometimes is, when you're on like Amazon or whatever, and you get one of those like too good to be true cheap BS things, it makes me laugh a lot. And Peanut is always my trial horse, whatever. And I bought this bag. It's like a box of 42 light bulbs. It's supposed to replace every light bulb on this thing, even the ones in the dash, everything like that, for $8. And I was like, of course I'm buying that. And so let's start, because we had a license plate light out, and it was like $1.50 for that light, or $8 for every one of them. So let's try it. I'll show you what this one looks like. Well, we got the new one, LED situation, and then the old one, halogen situation. It's funny too is it's probably still a scam. It's probably worth 32 cents for all these. But yeah, let's change them out. See what they look like. So I'm doing the dome light here. And one of the things that kind of fascinates me sometimes, and you'll see it a lot, and Chevy always got a lot of crap for doing it, but where you have the same parts throughout the vehicle, or through the vehicle lineup, and Chevy always got crap for the door handles being the same on the Camaro as the minivan, things like that. But when you see some of these pieces and they put so much work into them, I mean, this thing has like this metal flap detail that can go under these lenses and then snap down to hold the lights in, and it's a really cool part. And this is one of those pieces where they were like, okay, let's just engineer something so perfect for this thing that we can just use a bunch of it, and this is a really cool little piece. Yeah, I like it.